mixing the peanut butter into the rice.
What's up? What's up? This is Rico. Don't forget to show me some love. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Yeah. Welcome, guys. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you how to prepare for peanut butter, rice, stew, okra, and lots more niceness. So recipes will be in the description below or at the end of this video. So let's go.
Hello, guys, and welcome to my home. My name is Pam, and I am one of Rico's good friends, and so we've just invited him to our home, my husband and I, Simba, for lunch today. We're cooking traditional African meal. What I've done is I've taken all these meals that we grew up eating and put in a modern twist to them. We had every intention to make another dish, but we couldn't find what we wanted. So today we've got peanut butter rice, rapini vegetables, okra, which I made the way my husband absolutely loves it. It's very traditional, but also with a modern twist. And then I am also making some red kidney beans from our garden, which are very, very tasty and fresh. And the last thing I'm going to make is not something that's very popular. Well, it's not popular at all because we don't grow it in Southern Africa, but it's from West Africa, and that's plantain or plantain. I don't know how you pronounce it. And I'm going to mix it with sweet potato and potatoes. So welcome again. Okay, so like I was saying, I made the okra. Well, I made everything the way that he likes it. But I always have difficulty with mixing the rice and peanut butter because it needs some manpower.
So mucho macho.
Yeah, so do you want to tell Rico how you like your okra?
Well, I don't like it all slimy, but just I like it mixed with the onions, the tomatoes, and like made into a stew. I like it like that.
Which is really funny because growing up we had it slimy. The way we make it in Zimbabwe is we boil a pot of water. You cut in the okra, you put in tomato, you put in baking soda, salt, and mix it. And as you're eating it, it's very slimy. And that's what I kind of like it.
I don't like it like that.
But actually, when we met, you said you didn't like okra at all.
Yeah.
And lately, I think as well, it's having friends with different cultural backgrounds. We've started to cook okra in a different way.
Yeah.
Like the Jamaicans make it so perfect, or the islanders make it so perfect, and we've eaten it.
I prefer it that way. The old slimy way. No.
It still has a little bit of slime for me, which I like. But he likes it in a stew.
Yeah, because the way that the other people make it, it's a little gritty, so I like it like that.
They're not other people; they are friends.
Other folks.
Yes, that's better. So maybe we should take Rico into our kitchen to see what's happening today.
All right.
So Rico, come on, let's go. So you have to start mixing the peanut butter into the rice, and it's really hard. It's very difficult. So I think I need some male strength. I'm going to have to call my husband to do it for me.
Mixing the peanut butter into the rice.
Oh, this is the sweet potato here, the potatoes and the plantain or plantain I was telling you about. This is really to create a different texture with the food because we've got the peanut butter rice and then we've got the red kidney bean stew and then we've got the okra stew as well. So this is a really lovely kind of vegan combination with a nice texture. I am going to place it in the grill as opposed to frying it because it's healthier doing it that way. And this oil is really, really amazing because it doesn't make food oily. And then when you're putting something in the grill, it makes it so crispy and amazing. So just a little drizzle like that. Maybe not so little, but that's perfect. And this is fresh sage. And so I'm just going to put it in the sides, just to get some flavor instead of directly because I've put all these things in. So it's always amazing to have just the sage scent right there in the background of your taste buds. So we go. Okay.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, stay true and stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Yeah, man. Action.
Okay, hello. Hi guys. I'm joking.
No, it's okay. That will happen in my mood. Yeah.
There's certain things that I don't like cooking or I don't cook very well, and Simba does it.
I like cooking and I cook very well, so good food, good cooking.